Every now and then, something happens which draws your attention to a product that you neither knew that you needed or wanted. And that's why today I want to talk to you guys about Bruhl's range of motorcycle dryers. So the single most important benefit to drying your motorcycle thoroughly after washing it or using it in the rain is to prevent corrosion. And water, being the wet substance that it is, gets into every single crack and crevice within your motorcycle, places that you can't reach and places that you'll never be able to get a towel into either. And that's where the Bruhl dryers come in. This is the mid-range 1900 plus. It's a 1400 watt single turbine with 500 watts of heat power in there as well. And this is what I'm going to use today to show you what these things can do. I need to make my bike wet. Included with your dryer is this easy to use and install flexible hose and 3 attachments of various shapes and sizes to help you get the job done. So as you saw in the footage there, this thing destroyed the moisture on this bike. It's just gone. It was quick, it was easy. You could even see the heated element in this drying the tires out in seconds. There's no argument that this machine is effective. But where it's most effective, and what I like about it the most, is that by purchasing and using one of these and keeping your bike corrosion free, you're protecting its resale value. And if you're protecting its resale value, it's not going to be very long before this has paid for itself.